What's up, guys? My name is Ghost, and this is another edition of the weekly prep. First ticker I'm looking at right now is ES. I'm going to be going over the levels and zones I'm going to be watching coming up this week. We do have a big week coming up, a lot of big tech earnings. So first off, let's look at the weekly time frame. We're still sitting in between these weekly zones. So I still got that 4243.5 at the top of my supply zone and 4110.75 as the bottom of the supply zone. As you can see how the buying pressure slowed down. We did get another doji. This time it is more bearish. So we're going to see if we can get a close below this zone before we can start to aggressively take puts and see if we do get a retracement back down. That's it for the weekly time frame. Let's get into the daily zones. So here we are on the daily time frame. I'm keeping my weekly zones up just to show you guys how these zones on the weekly time frame or levels do play a role even on the daily time frame. As you can see on this day, April 13th, that was actually support level and we bounced off. Also where the selling pressure died off on the 12th. But let's get into now making our daily levels and zones. So looking at the daily time frame, still got the same supply zone. We did get almost to the top where we had that rejection down. So right now we did get a rejection out of the zone and we did bounce off of my one support I had. As you can see, this area is a while back, so I'm not sure how much orders are still sitting from this area, especially after they've came and retested this area a few times. So I am playing more of these support resistance areas right here. Before this level, if it does fail, definitely looking to target these lower levels right here. And if you can see why this area is being respected and supported heavily due to how much price action was below this zone. It could cause an avalanche down. If we do break back above here, the only few levels I'm looking at will be this zone up here. Do think we could probably get a small resistance right up there, but should get an easy pass right up to that zone up there, our supply zone. Switch the color. So that is the time frame daily I'm looking at, which zones. Think we should go retest here, but we'll see how this level of support holds up. If we do come back up, I am going to be patient on a rejection. Most likely use this level or this level to play the rejection. And if we do bounce below here or on the bottom of the supply, I will be attempting to play the long side. Let's look into the hourly. So seeing price action on Friday on the hourly time frame, you can see how we created this hourly zone on Thursday, and on Friday was respected. Got that rejection back down, retest. Now it looks like it's starting to close down. So now for this week coming up, playing this hourly demand zone created on Friday. First level I'm looking to see if we fail below is 41.43. And then below that, we got that daily level of 41.34. And then on the way to our daily demand level. The upside, I'm not going to be interested in rejecting as much if we do break back above this hourly levels. I will be staying patient. More likely, only place I'll test puts will be right here. We do have some big earnings this week, so I am going to stay patient. I'm more interested in playing the downside till we get to our demand zone. But if we do break back above some resistances, I am going to be taking some positions for the long. But again, it is earnings week, so just be cautious. Don't be positioning yourself too heavy this week. There will be better setups next week, because we could easily just chop around in between this area for at least this week. But that's it for ES, and I will be doing a few more videos like this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got some insights. Hope you guys make a lot of money this week. Peace.